everyone and welcome. My name is Ella Leving and I'm a community librarian at Captain William Spry Public Library in Halifax, Nova Scotia. The holiday season isn't that far away, and if you're looking for something a little bit different and unique, you have come to the right place. Today we will be making a simple holiday arrangement. And remember, simple can be stunning. For this experiment, you will need an empty can. I'm using the one from the chickpeas. A green foam. I got mine from the dollar store. Glue gun with the glue sticks. Some green branches. I collected mine from the garden this morning. Birch bark from the trees outside. Some red berries for pop of color. I'm using fake ones, but if you got a real ones, that would be even prettier. Some pine cones, as you can see. And last but not least, some lovely little balls. With all of this available to you, let's get started. Let's start with the vase. We are going to wrap birch bark around metal can and glue it together. It should look like a white birch log. Give a few minutes for the glue to set, holding the birch bark tight. Once it's dry, you're going to start off by inserting the floral foam. Make sure it's generously watered and quite wet. Now we will start with arranging the greenery. Be sure to make many fresh cuts so everything stays well hydrated. I personally like to work around the vase. I just keep turning it as I go. This doesn't have to be perfect, by the way. This is nature after all. I like to create a perimeter base and then go around and fill any spots that are bare looking. Once I have the perimeter done, I'll put a few nice branches in the middle. Keep on adding your greenery until you have achieved your desired fullness. Don't be afraid to move the greenery around. It's very forgiving and pretty flexible. This is what I have so far. Wrap the pine cones in metal wire at the base and insert it into the foam, making sure that they are secure. I'm going to put in some fake berries to add a pop of color. I'm going to add some holy sparkle with these balls. I use the wire to fit through the ornament and it just sticks straight into the foam. There we have it, all done. You're welcome to add some sparkling lights to make it even more beautiful. Like so. So, there we have it. Simple and stunning. All done. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I wish you all a happy and joyful holiday season. Stay safe and healthy. And I'll see you next time. Have a great one.